This is Debbie Jones with another just-in-time video. This video is about how to save a resource to your own personal folder in ActivInspire. When you take the time to create a graphic or a resource and you set actions to it or however you've worked on it, if you'd like to save that because it's going to be something you're going to use over and over again, then you want to save it into the resource folder. So if you go to the top left, this is our page browser we're on right now, and you'll see here's the first page that I've got. The next icon is my resource browser. I'm going to click on that. I do not want to save it to the shared resources. Those are the resources that came with the program. I want to save this icon, this little graphic that I've created, to my own personal resources. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on My Resources, and I want to save it into a folder, so I need to create a folder. So I'm going to go down here to where it says My Resources. I'm going to click on that. I do have a menu button right here. So if I click on that menu button, let's see what all's there. I can export to resource pack, import a resource pack, index this folder for searching, or create a new folder. I want to create a new folder so that I can put the graphic I created into that new folder. So let's click on Create New Folder, and now I need to give it a name. I'm just going to call it My Graphics. And when I click OK, you'll see that folder will appear over here in alphabetical order. There it is, My Graphics. Now, because I want it to go into that folder, I have to click on that folder to tell it that's where I want it to go. Once I've clicked on it, it's highlighted. I can drag my graphic all the way over and drop it right here into this open space. Now, I'm going to select it all because right now it's got an action set to it, and it wants to do the action instead of move for me. So I'm going to grab this little move. This is our freely move icon. Take that, drag it, do not drop it until you have it over here. Now it looks like it bounced back into the flip chart, but do you see the plus sign over there on the left? That means I have it over there. When I let go of my mouse button, it will appear. It gives it the name of a resource. It gives it a number. I'd like to rename that. So if I wanted to search for this graphic, it would be able to find it. So click once, so you get your little menu. Click on the menu, and now you can rename that resource file. And I'm just going to call this my chicken. And I have it moving X. That's just an action I set to it. So that means to me that it's going to move to the X. So I click OK, and you'll see that now it has the new name Chicken X. AS4 means it's that type of file. That's the type of file that ActivInspire recognizes, so do not remove that extension. And there we have it. We've created a folder. It's in our own resources. If I click back on the three people, which is shared resources, I won't see that folder in there any place. I have to click on the one person. I go down to my graphics, that's the folder I created, and there it is. I can drag and drop it out as many times as I want, and it'll be there for all my future flip charts.